If you feel like everything you study just vanishes the moment you need it, you're not dumb, you're just doing it wrong. Harsh, maybe. True, absolutely. You're spending hours reading, highlighting, even watching those study with me videos. But when the test hits, your brain turns into mashed potatoes. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Your memory isn't broken. Your methods are. And today I'm about to show you 6 brain hacking secrets that will change the way you learn, forever. Let's go. Number 1. The curse of the I'm just bad at this lie. Ever say I just suck at remembering stuff? Congrats, you're programming your brain to do exactly that. Believing your memory is bad is like giving your brain permission to fail. You're basically handing it a note saying, don't bother trying, I already gave up. And guess what? Your brain listens. Science calls this a self-fulfilling prophecy. The more you say it, the more it becomes true. But flip the script and magic happens. Tell yourself, I can remember this, I will remember this. Say it like you mean it. Your brain's smarter than you think, it just needs new orders. Number 2, your brain isn't broken, it's just tidy. Forgetting stuff doesn't mean your memory's bad, it means your brain's doing spring cleaning. It deletes things it thinks are useless. So if you didn't convince your brain that info mattered, poof, it's gone. Like that brilliant plan to wake up at 5 a.m. to study that lasted one day. The fix? Use the survival test. Ask yourself, if I needed this info to save my life, how would I remember it? Connect it to emotions, stories, visuals, anything that makes it stand out. Number 3, multitasking is equal to memory murder. Studying while scrolling Instagram? Congrats, you're officially a memory assassin. Your brain isn't designed to juggle TikTok trends and biology terms at the same time. When you multitask, your focus gets sliced into pieces, and none of them stick. Solution, go full ninja mode. One task, full focus, no distractions. You don't need to study more, you need to study smarter. Number 4, cue chaos, why your brain grabs the wrong info. Ever try to recall an answer, and your brain serves you the color of your notebook instead? That's cue overload. Your memory works by linking info to cues. But if the cue is weak or generic, your brain pulls up random junk instead of what you actually need. Fix? Make your cues weird, memorable, unforgettable. Want to remember the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell? Picture it as a jacked gym bro charging your body like a phone battery. Silly? Yes. Effective? Absolutely. Number 5. You're not dumb. You just don't have a framework. Trying to learn without context is like building a house with no blueprint. It's a disaster waiting to happen. Top students, they don't memorize. They organize. They build frameworks, mental maps, skeleton structures that hold all the pieces together. It's the difference between guessing and knowing. So start with the big picture, then fill in the details, like a puzzle. Start with the edges before diving into the chaos. Number 6. Burnout. Brain is equal to blank mind. Still think pulling all-nighters makes you a warrior? Newsflash, sleep-deprived zombies don't learn. They leak information. When your mental health tanks, stress, anxiety, exhaustion, your brain stops saving data. Period. That's why you can spend 12 hours studying and still forget your name. You're not lazy, you're overloaded. Want better memory? Take breaks. Meditate, laugh, sleep. Watch that dumb cat video if it calms you down. Your brain learns best when it's not in survival mode. So no, you're not hopeless, you're just untrained. But now you've got the tools to change everything. Stop cramming, stop multitasking, stop saying you're dumb. Your brain's waiting for better instructions, and now you know exactly what to give it. Like this video if you've ever forgotten something 5 minutes after studying it. Subscribe if you're ready to finally make it stick. And comment your favorite tip below. I read everyone. Until next time. Train smart, think sharper, and stop letting your brain ghost you.